Hi everyone, welcome to your video. Yeah, last summer my friend and uh, visited Tokyo, Japan, and it was a Amazon Prime trip. There are a lot of things you can do it. The beautiful city. First, you can walk out of Shi Shibuya Crossing, one of the shopping streets in the world. It's a green place to take pictures. You can also visit peaceful grounds and enjoy the natural the parks are clean, green and relaxed. There are many something museums where you can learn about art history and Japanese culture. And if you like adventure, you can explore the smash screen. Full and Sean and Link Tokyo is a fun and exciting city. There is a wine commenting to do estudiante. Every hello every divine. Tokyo is also a wonderful place to see and eat Amazon time. There are beautiful temples everywhere, and and there is a lot of modern architecture activities too. You can see famous places a bit like Tokyo Tower and Sensei Temple. I of also where are many delicious options. You can eat sushi, ramen, and scale dessert. They are also coffee with color drink and snacks. Eat, eat you can to buy Summit Tokyo and a lot of shop. You can find cute cow souvenirs, anime toys, and fashion building content. There are also marketing marks with some check-in items and unique gifts. Tokyo is a green city for our audience because our money. The things to hit it and buy. Thank you.